Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to this new series of videos. Today we are starting a comprehensive tutorial on matrices and linear systems. What we are going to do in this series is solve step-by-step exercises to build your skills. These exercises will involve concepts from both chapter 3 and chapter 4 of our mathematics course. In this first video we are going to solve exercise number 1. Let's look at the four matrices we are given, A, B, C, and M. Our first task is to compute 3A minus 2B. To do this, we multiply every element in matrix A by 3 and every element in matrix B by 2. And we get then we subtract the corresponding entries. As you can see, the result is a new 2 by 2 matrix. Next, we need to compute A plus C. Let's check their dimensions first. A is a 2 by 2 matrix and C is a 2 by 3 matrix. Remember the rule, we can only add matrices if they have the same size. Therefore, this addition is impossible. Now let's move on to matrix multiplication. We want to compute A times B. We need to multiply the rows of the first matrix by the columns of the second matrix. For the first row multiplied by the first column, we get 3 plus 3. For the first row multiplied by the second column, we get for the second row and the first column, we obtain, and the second row multiplied by the second column, we get. Therefore, the result is 6, 10, minus 5 over 2, and minus 3. Now, let's see what happens if we reverse the order and compute B times A. We apply the same row by column method. Therefore, we obtain minus 1, minus 1, 11, and 4. Notice that AB is not equal to B times A. This is a great reminder that matrix multiplication is generally not commutative. Now let's compute A squared. This simply means matrix A multiplied by itself. The first row times the first column, the first row times the second column, the second row multiplied by the first column, and the last line multiplied by the second column. And the result is 13, 5, 20, and 8. Next, we want to calculate A times C and C times A. As you can see, matrix A has 2 columns and matrix C has 2 rows. Because these numbers match, we can multiply them. And the result will be a 2 by 3 matrix. Now, for C times A, the number of columns in C is 3, which does not match the rows in A, which is 2. Then we cannot multiply them, and this product is not defined. Finally, we need to find the transpose of matrix C, denoted C or C. To do this, we simply turn the rows of C into columns, and we obtain 1, 0, minus 1, and 2, 1, 3. And that concludes exercise 1. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we will tackle determinants and inverse matrices.